how to create an account on Wordware. So just head over to wordware.ai and then you can see this right here. So you have the option book a demo if you want to get their actual paid subscription. You can also just click on this start for free if you want. For this one, let's head over and click on this start for free. And then this will redirect you to this right here and you should be able to create an account or register to their service. Now they have in here the option to just use your Google. So head over and click on this Google option right here. And then from in there, just head over and then just choose the Google that you want to use. For example, let me head over and then just choose this one. And then once I have done that, this will create and then this will head over and click on continue option that we have right here. Once you have done that, it should be able to actually load and then show us the dashboard of the Wordware. So just wait for this to actually finish the loading process or the signing up process with this case. And as you can see, we have now seen this app.wordware.ai, which means that we are now redirected. So this will start this right here, and this will load in order to show us this. As you can see right now, we have now created an account. So that's how you create an account on Wordware. Hope we helped.